This is how to insert photo or pictures in Google Docs mobile, right? The first step is to tap on the Docs application. As the Docs mobile opens, you can tap on any document you want to start with, but here, let's start with a fresh one, all right? So I'll tap on the plus sign at the bottom right. Then you'll be provided with some options. Here we have choose template and new document. All right, I want to go with new document, so I will tap on that. Then let's give this a title. Let's say insert photos. All right, so I will tap on create. So once you're here, you can save your things or you can start inserting your photo. But in this case, I want to save your things. See the design below, all right? So after typing your text, tap on the return key so that you jump to the next line and insert your photo. So once you're on the next line, tap on the plus sign at the top, select image. You're provided with two options here, from photos and from camera. All right, maybe you want to pick a photo in your phone, go with from photos. If you want to take maybe a picture of something and insert it, go with from camera. But here, let's go with from photos. I will tap on that. Then this opens the Photos app of my iPhone immediately. So tap on the image you want to insert. Then tap on the tick sign at the top right. And you can see it has been inserted. If you want to continue typing what you're typing, tap on return key and keep on saying what you want to say. All right, the design above. So let me just stop it here. So to save the document, tap on the tick sign at the top left. All right, if this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section so that YouTube will push this video to more people. Thank you and see you some other time.